Let's start with a simple question, children. What is this particular question trying to say? Find the common ratio. So we are supposed to find out the common ratio and the seventh term of the GP. So it's given to us that the given sequence is in GP. We are not supposed to, first of all, verify whether the sequence given to us is GP or not. Straightforward being stated that the given sequence is in GP, we need to find out the common ratio and the seventh term. Having known what is Tn and what is the formula for Tn, we can easily get the seventh term. So the given GP is 2, minus 6, 18, so on and so forth. Here, what is my T1? Here, my T1 is, T1 which is A, is 2, T2 is minus 6, T3 is 18. So, either you go with a common multiplier or you go with a common ratio. For sums, we'll prefer common ratio. At the same time, some sums, maybe in word problems, I may go for common multiplier also. So, let's start over here. What is T3 by T2? T3 by T2, which is 18 by minus 6, answer is minus 3. How about T2 by, since it's a GP, so I did not verify. So can I say T3 by T2, which is 18 by minus 6, which is minus 3, is equals to my R, common ratio? So they questioned us, find the common ratio. Therefore, the common ratio is R is nothing but minus 3. With A known to us, R known to us, can I get T7? The question may arise, sir, you went for T3 by T2, can I go by T2 by T1? Certainly yes. T2 by T1 would have also given you minus 3. Minus 6 upon 2 is minus 3. Right, children? So the common ratio is minus 3. A being known to us, I intend to find out T7. So can I say using what? The formula for Tn, using Tn is A R raised to n minus 1. We need to find out T7 is A, here n minus 1, T7 A R raised to 6. Rightly said. A R raised to 6. T7 A, we know how much is it? 2 into R raised to 6. R is minus 3 raised to the power 6. Now those who want to understand what is minus 3 raised to 6 means, minus 3 gets multiplied how many times? 6 times. Minus 3 gets multiplied how many times? 6 times. Right? Might be difficult for you all to calculate. Maybe you are not in a position to know minus 3 raised to the power 6 orally. So let's understand in this way. If you all are aware with some kind of cubes, what am I doing is, I'm writing this as it is. Minus 3 to the power 6, I'm just writing this as minus 3 square, and then I'm saying this to the power 3. 3 2s are 6, laws of indices. Now, why am I doing this? Why am I doing this? Only to make my calculation bit easy. Can I say T7 is 2 into square of negative is always positive. So minus 3 square is 9, 9 cube. And if you are aware about 9 cube, it's 729. T7 is 2 into 729. T7 turns out to be 1458. When you multiply 729 into 2, what you get is 1458. So find the seventh term. Therefore, the seventh term, which is nothing but T7, is 1458. Right, children? So what we have to pay attention to, if I know A, if I know R, with the formula of Tn, I can get any nth term. Right?